Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with an Android phone. First, make sure both your phone and watch have sufficient battery and are turned on. Next, download the correct companion application for your smartwatch from the Google Play Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Android device to allow it to find your watch. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth pairing process. Once the app is installed, open it on your Android phone. The application will guide you through the pairing process. Look for an option to add new device or pair a new watch. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your specific smartwatch model from the list that appears on your screen to begin the connection. After selecting your watch, a pairing code will often appear on both your phone and smartwatch. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. The app will then prompt you to grant various permissions, such as access to notifications or location. Accept these to ensure full functionality. Finally, complete any remaining setup steps within the app. If you encounter any problems, try restarting both your Android phone and your smartwatch. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, regularly check for updates to both the companion app and your watch's firmware, as these can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Make sure your phone isn't trying to connect to too many other Bluetooth devices simultaneously, which can sometimes cause interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.